Hey, so if you want to use HubSpot CRM on your mobile phone in 2026 and manage contacts, deals, and tasks on the go, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your phone's App Store. For Android, go to Google Play, and for iOS, open the App Store. Search for HubSpot and install the official HubSpot app. Once installed, open the app and log in using your HubSpot email and password. Make sure your account has CRM access so you can view and edit contacts, deals, and tasks directly from your mobile miles. After logging in, you'll see the mobile dashboard. This includes your contacts, deals, tasks, and notifications. Everything you see on desktop is now accessible on your phone, optimized for smaller screens. To view contacts, tap the Contacts tab. Here you can search, filter, and sort your contacts. Click on a contact to view details, notes, activity history, and associated deals. For deals, tap the Deals tab. You can add new deals, move deals between stages, update deal amounts, and track progress, all directly from your phone. This keeps your sales pipeline always up to date. You can also add tasks and reminders. Tap the Tasks tab to create follow-ups, assign tasks to team members, and mark completed tasks. Push notifications ensure you never miss important actions. If you're on the go, use the Notes feature to quickly jot down information from meetings or calls. These notes automatically sync with the CRM and are visible on desktop too. The app also allows email tracking and call logging. Send emails or log calls from your mobile, and HubSpot records them automatically in the contacts activity timeline. Yeah, this saves a lot of manual work. Finally, review your mobile dashboard regularly. Check notifications, tasks, and deal updates to stay on top of your work from anywhere. And that's it. By installing the app, logging in, and using contacts, deals, tasks, and notes efficiently, you can fully manage HubSpot CRM on your mobile phone. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.